Today's February 1, 2011. We're in Baan, just outside of the city. And this is where Rose lives, used to live. And now they're doing a rescue effort using these boats. This is the main drag here in Baan. All the shops and the stores are under about 3 feet of water now. But everyone's pretty calm and cool and collected. No screaming, no panic. Just slow and easy. These boats are called baratos. Barotos. They're barotos. They're going deep in. It's about 10 feet deep further on in. But everybody's calm. A lot of smiles. I guess they're pretty used to it here. Nothing like this could happen in Hawaii or anywhere else in the U.S. I think. It's just calmly, coolly, just laughing, talking. Go around here. Kuya Totong. Let's go to the fast water. And business is still being conducted. Every way you look. Water. Flooded area over there.
Disaster.
Yeah, disaster, but business still goes on. Business is open. Okay.